Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get GBA Emulator on iOS without any revokes. So yeah guys, before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. So yeah guys, with that all being said, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all, just go to google.com and then just search for Eclipse EMU like this, and then just go to the first link, and here you just have to click on the three lines in the top right corner, or actually just click on play now in the middle of the screen. So by the way, this works on all iOS versions. So I am on iOS 17 right now, and if you are on a older iOS OS, it's going to work just fine. So just click the X and yeah, just click on continue, and here you just have to click on plus, and you can add games from Google Drive, Dropbox or Homebrew. So yeah guys, this is browser based emulator. So if you just want to put it on your home screen, just click on the share icon in the middle bottom of your screen like this, and here just click on add to home page, and if I just click on this Eclipse emulator, it's going to open this emulator directly, so I can just add games and play games on it, GBA games on it. So yeah guys, this is how you get GBA emulator on iOS without any revokes. So if you found this video to be helpful guys, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.